Welcome. If you want to adjust notification panel shortcuts in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2, the first you have to simply tap right here on these three dots in the right upper corner. Then go for the button order. So right now, if you want to change position of any icon, I'm going to show you how it looks on location. I'm going to put location between sound and the Bluetooth icons. So we have to click and hold location and then drag it between sound and the Bluetooth in my case. After that, just release. And that's how it looks with a very icon that you have right here. So this one I'm going to put between torch and the power mode. If you want to remove icons, like for example you don't want to get here the do not disturb mode, click hold and then drag right here and then tap done to confirm. And as you can see, that's how it works. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.